that were very drought tolerant. As an example of a trait that we want to build into potato is to enable it to be more drought tolerant, particularly because potato has a very shallow root system, so it can be really susceptible to drought, and that can massively reduce the yield. So we wanted to understand how those varieties are so resistant. So we did some sequencing work to try to understand how the genes are expressed in those varieties, comparing one that's really drought tolerant and one that's not, and I identified different candidate genes that can actually explain the drought tolerance of those varieties. And I think that kind of work is quite important because we often work with a small panel of varieties that are UK or European, but we don't capture the global genetic diversity. So that's what we were trying to do in that project, is to understand how the traits are controlled in those varieties that are tolerant to the stress, and how can we bring those characteristics into the varieties that we use in the UK or Europe.